If you are ready to take your African decor style to the next level, consider one of these designs. Inspired by Nigerian wedding blankets, kente cloths, Kuba cloth, and more, each pattern is a realistic rendition based on actual African textiles from our vast vintage collection. Including shower curtains and coordinating plush bath mats in Afro Boho prints will give your bathroom that authentic feel. This collection includes something for everyone. You will find earth tones and neutrals, as well as bold colors and multicolor designs. The geometric patterns easily complement modern and urban decor styles. The colorful design options work well with eclectic and maximalist themed decor. Best of all, there's no need to limit these patterns to just the bathroom. Just imagine pillows, area rugs, even wallpaper. The options are endless. These designs are even available in fabric yardage, which is perfect if you are part of the DIY community and you sew. So if you want to see what else is possible, be sure to watch our next video. And one more thing, don't forget to subscribe.